My name is Andreas Mehrle. I'm the head of the mechatronics department at MCI, which used to be quite a small one about 10 years ago, starting with a few students in the bachelor with a focus on mechanical engineering. Now it's quite a large department at MCI, covering mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, medical engineering, which is quite new to us, and we are grasping sports engineering right now, which is a new field of interest of ours. The collaboration with the SWARCO Raiders started in a quite funny way, a non-standard way, because we started collaborating actually with the local soccer club, because they needed a training machine which would do pretty much the same than you do in tennis. You get a ball which is shot to you and you can continue playing with it, and it's always the same process. It's very good for training. We found out that this is quite easy for soccer. But in the end, it didn't help the team so much. I think there are other things where they have to work. But then the SWARCO Radar approached us, and this was much more fascinating because the team is very successful. And also from an engineering point of view, this is much more difficult because this ball is not round anymore, so you cannot shoot it. You have to throw it like a quarterback. And this is very, very difficult, and this was a real challenge for us in engineering. So when a student comes to us and wants to become a student, I think the most important thing is always the interest and the fascination. And it's not about engineering, it's whatever you do. If you're in management, if you're in marketing, tourism, whatever, I think you have to have fascination for this field. And then I think you should start as early as possible to do little projects there. So I love it when students come to the interview and they build up their own Arduino project, or they bring parts, whatever is left of the remote commanded sailing plane. So when you want to do something, and if it's just automating your garden door, just do it. The tools are around, they cost not much. Just do it, start your own project in engineering, in programming, and whatever. We really love those students. Well, we are very, very open towards industry. Industry in general terms, also SWARCO Raiders are industry for us. So whenever you have an interesting problem, which is a mechatronics problem, so a lot of different fields are involved there, we're really open to pick it up. We provide our students with potential topics for the bachelor or master thesis, but much more interesting is if there's a topic is coming from outside, a real life topic, and our students love to pick up these topics, and they work half a year on it, and it's incredible which successes and which solution they find in such a short period of time. So whenever you have an interesting problem, engineering, medical engineering, sports engineering, just come by. The worst thing that can happen is we say no, but much more likely we will say yes.